We are living in the last days where the prophecies of Ellen G. White are being fulfilled to the very letter. Leaders, elders, and pastors in the very SDA churches through which God has risen up through Ellen G. White and other faithful pioneers are rejecting her counsels. Here is what she prophesied about what many SDA leaders will do to her writings. Satan's last deception. So I'm reading from Last Days Events, page 177, paragraph 5. The very last deception of Satan will be to make of none effect the testimony of the Spirit of God. Where there is no vision, the people perish. Proverbs 29 verse 18. Satan will work ingeniously in different ways and through different agencies to unsettle the confidence of God's remnant people in the true testimony. And trust me, we are seeing this today. These so-called leaders who reason out her words and pick and choose from her writings and throw out or discard if it doesn't suit them. Are these people even tested or have gotten certain training or knowledge about God's words before being placed at the head to teach and direct God's people? Pastors, elders, going against Sister White's writing is like you're going against God. Simple truths are not being upheld or can only be deciphered by these opinionated leaders, willfully turning a blind eye to what thus saith the Lord, leading the people into darkness because truth is being casted away. Last Day Events, page 178, paragraph 2. It is Satan's plan to weaken the faith of God's people in the testimonies. Next follows skepticism in regard to the vital points of our faith, the pillars of our position, then doubt as to the Holy Scriptures, and then the downward march to perdition. When the testimonies which were once believed are doubted and given up, Satan knows the deceived ones will not stop at this, and he redoubles his efforts till he launches them into open rebellion, which becomes incurable and ends in destruction. So shadow is being casted on our words. We no longer base our faith and belief upon her words. The Bible is the sun, and her words are like the moon. The moon is a reflection of the sun. So, in turn, you are rejecting the Bible. Think about it. There is no substance, no boundaries being set. The unholy and holy are being mixed. No rules. The youths will see no difference between the world and the church. No wonder they're leaving the churches. The word of the Lord will stand. It will prevail, no matter what may come.